Well, this is the Hampton Blue Blazer. It leads to the Appalachian Trail. I don't know, about a mile from the trailhead, I guess. And then once you get on the AT, you can walk down to Laurel Fork Falls. And that was the plan for the day, to go see if the falls was frozen. The last several days have been very, very cold, so I wanted to see if the falls actually had frozen. I'm not going to be able to make it though. I got to this part right here where the trail is supposed to go, and it's covered in ice. And one slip is going to put me right there. So I'm not going to chance it, especially since I've already fallen in the river right here. We dug out a root ball several years ago. Well, I don't even remember if it was a root ball or what, but we dug it out to give some better footing just because of days like this. And while we were working on it, I actually slipped and fell in the river right about there. There was no ice on it, but it was early in the year, and believe me, I jumped out really, really quick. But not wanting to fall into the frozen river again, I'm gonna pass up on my check to see if Laurel Fork Falls is frozen. So I'm gonna walk back out, keep my feet wet, keep my feet dry, and maybe come up again some other time. Of course, you can get to Laurel Fork Falls from the Dennis Cove trailhead as well, but that's a tough road to drive on after bad weather, so I'm not going to chance it that way either.